Frugal Wealthy here, where we show you how to save money not just to survive, but to thrive. Today we'll talk about home-based food business you can start with minimal investment. Here are the top 7 in our list. 1. Create and sell baked goods. Start your own baking business. People love baked items. They have muffins, bread or donuts for breakfast, bread with lunch, a bread or biscuit with dinner, and cookies or cakes for dessert. You can profit from the love of baked goods by baking them and selling them yourself. You can specialize in a specific baked item, such as starting a cookie business, or you can bake a wide range of treats such as cakes, muffins, breads, and more. You can further niche by baking gluten-free or other diet specialty treats. 2. Specialty goods. Do you have a special item you make that others love? Maybe you make jams or preserves? Do you roast your own coffee beans? Can you make chocolate and other confections? If you have an edible item you make that others enjoy, turn it into income. Similar to baked goods, specialty items are in demand. They make great gifts or treats that can be sold through consignment, online, at fairs and farmers markets, and more. 3. Catering. Do you enjoy cooking a variety of foods for events? Although catering can be a big task, many caterers got their start working on weekends catering for smaller events. In fact, you might consider specializing in a niche, such as a type of event or specific foods. Odds are you'll need a few extra helping hands on the day of the event to ensure all items are prepared and ready to be served at the allotted time. 4. Personal chef. Maybe you enjoy cooking, but you don't want to take on the large task of serving a group through catering. Another option is to be a personal chef. Busy families often don't have the time or desire to cook and hire others to create well-balanced, healthy meals for them. Many personal chefs cook in bulk, leaving a week's worth of food with their clients. Some cook at the client's home, while others deliver. You can consider specializing, as well. For example, you can cook for families with special needs, such as allergy-restricted diets. 5. Cooking instructor. Many people wish they had skills in the kitchen and are willing to pay to learn. Like other culinary jobs, a cooking instructor can focus on a specific area, such as baking or grilling, or be a generalist. You can lead cooking instruction in your home, or have someone videotape you and you can sell the videos as part of a home learning course. Another option is to create your own cooking show posted on YouTube, which can pay you advertising income. 6. Nutrition coach. People are becoming more and more concerned about their health and the role food plays in feeling good. A nutrition coach helps others design and follow an eating plan that helps them meet their health goals. Some clients may have specific issues to contend with, such as diabetes or food allergies. Others may want to follow a specific type of diet, such as vegan or gluten-free. Although you don't need to be a registered dietitian or nutritionist, it can add to your credibility and allow to charge more. Or you can consider getting certified as a nutrition coach by one of the many nutrition coaching companies. 7. Foodie blogger. One of the fastest and easiest ways to get started making money from the love of food is through a food blog. You can share your recipes through text or video, and post them on your blog, share them on Pinterest and more. Unlike other food businesses that are under special regulation, a food blog doesn't have special food rules because you're not selling the food items. Instead, you can earn income through a variety of other options such as affiliate marketing, advertising, or creating your own products such as a cookbook. What do you think about the tips from this video? Do you agree or did we miss anything? Let us know in the comments down below. For more everyday tips to save money and grow your wealth, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. See you in the next episode.